record this meeting, ठीक है? Because Huda and Hayat are not here, so I will record this meeting for them. Okay, so what is this meeting about, class? मैंने आपको क्यों बुलाया आज? Since you are the leaders, right? You are going to be helping your friends, and you'll be contributing to the class in a much more you know, in a higher way. So I want you all to have some training from Didi, so that you are ready, you are prepared. Okay, so I will first tell you what your responsibilities are. I will explain the responsibilities to you in detail, and if you have any questions, please use this meeting to ask all your questions. अगर आपको कुछ doubt है कि आपको कब करना है, क्या करना है, just ask Didi. That's why Didi has scheduled this meeting, so that all your doubts are cleared. And one more thing I will tell you is the interviews that you have to take. Remember in the offline class, I told you about the interviews. So I'll tell you how to take an interview so that you are very prepared. Okay, so this meeting is for you. Didi has scheduled this meeting only for you, so that all your doubts are clear and you are very, very clear on what you need to do. Okay, so that's what we're doing today. Yes, Chaitanya, you have a question?
Didi, आपने जैसे अभी बोला कि interview, so I have prepared some questions. Like you said that LC member, that he is very hardworking or respectful of doing all things. So I have prepared it. So Didi, first question
Chaitanya, I'll ask you to pause there. Thank you so much for preparing and coming. First share with you a little context, okay? Little bit of background, then I'll ask you to share, okay? Thank you so much for coming prepared. I really appreciate that. Okay, so Chaitanya, you are not there in the offline class, so I'll just tell you, since you are also a leader, you and Miza, every week you will find one person from your LC who has worked very hard, and you will interview them. But Didi wants you to know how to take interviews so that you can be a very good, you can take a very good interview, and you can write about it also very well. Okay, okay, so I will share that right now with you, and that's what we are going to do. And then Chaitanya, I'll ask you also. Okay, okay, I'll share my screen now. Okay, so first we will actually talk about our responsibilities and our roles. Okay, perfect. So there are two leaders, correct, class? सबके जो हैं वो, एक सेकेंड, हाँ, सब टीम्स में दो लीडर्स हैं, करेक्ट? क्लास एक सेकेंड ना, ये सेव नहीं हुआ. हाँ, होल्ड ऑन, जस्ट गिव मी 10 seconds. हाँ, perfect. So every single group has two leaders, right? Now these are the responsibilities of each leader. ठीक है, तो हर वीक आप लोग स्विच करोगे. सपोज चैतन्य, सपोज हम अभिनव और मुजना का एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. ओके, सो सपोज अभिनव इज लीडर 1 and Muzna is leader 2. Then in this form, what will Abhinav do? Abhinav will fill an LC tracker every day. Okay, I will tell you what this LC tracker is. मैं अभी आपको explain करूंगी. So Abhinav's responsibility will be to fill the LC tracker every day as a leader, and Abhinav's responsibility will also be to send class reminders and motivate his friends to join. Okay, motivate friends on the group. ठीक है, Hamza is doing this really well already, so great job Hamza. ठीक है, फिर Muzna's responsibility, what will Muzna's responsibility be? If Muzna is leader 2, Muzna's responsibility will be to take the interview on that. In that week, Muzna will take the interview, and Muzna will write the interview ka draft on the for the newsletter. ठीक है, so if Abhinav is filling the tracker, then Muzna is taking the interview and writing a draft. फिर next week में switch हो जाएगा, फिर Muzna will do the first task, and Muzna will become leader 1 and Abhinav will become leader 2. That's how we are going to do it, so that everyone gets to do all kinds of work. Okay, Isa, आपका meeting 3:15 को है, अभी नहीं है. You can drop off right now. Okay, Isa, and come back at 3:15. Right now we are talking to the leaders. ठीक है? Is this very, very clear? I will explain to you what the tracker means. I will take you through it. But is this much clear? Can you take a screenshot of this? One second. Let me just delete this. Now take a screenshot. Share it with your co-leaders. ठीक है, आप लोग म्यूचुअली डिसाइड कर सकते हो कि लीडर 1 लीडर 2 कौन बनेगा, एंड एवरी वीक यू विल स्विच. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ दिस एंड गिव मी अ थम्स अप व्हेन यू आर डन. Okay, I am seeing one thumbs up. Niza, Karthik, Chaitanya, ready? Muzna, have you taken a screenshot? Okay. Okay, now I will talk about the LC tracker. Okay, what is the LC tracker? What does it mean? Okay, so this LC tracker is basically for the leaders to check कि कौन सा LC member आपका सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत कर रहा है. Okay, it is for you to know which LC member is working very hard, so that उस week में आप उसको appreciate करो. Okay, so you are filling this tracker for yourself so that you know कि किसको आपको appreciate करना है उस हफ्ते. ठीक है, so this is what the LC tracker is. Okay, I will explain it to you. So this is for 1 week. ये 1 week का LC tracker है. Here you will write down your LC members के names. Okay, so suppose Rohan, Raj, अगर Hamza is filling this tracker, so Hamza will write his team members के names. Rohan, Raj, whatever, A, B, C, D, जो भी आपके LC में लोग हैं, उनके नाम आप यहाँ पे लिखोगे. Okay, then every day, at the end of every day, okay, as a leader, what will you do? You will check कि आपके ग्रुप में हर एक बच्चे ने किसने उस दिन मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटी करी, किसने नहीं करी. So you will give every single person in your group 1 1 1 1 1. ऐसे आप उनको scores दोगे. Okay, so like 1, suppose Rohan has done the activity, you will give him 1. Okay, then Rohan attended online class, you are giving him 1 point. Rohan अगर उस दिन ऑफलाइन क्लास भी थी तो उसने ऑफलाइन क्लास अटेंड करी, you will give him 1. Okay, उसने कोई व्हाट्सएप रूल ब्रेक नहीं किया, so you will give him 1 point. And अगर उसने किसी की हेल्प करी, किसी फ्रेंड की, you will also give him 1 point. This you will do every day from Monday to Friday. So 1 + 1 ऐसे लिखते रहना, 1 + 1. अगर इस रोहन ने अगर हर दिन सब कुछ किया, so you are giving him 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 like this. Okay, then suppose Rohan came on Monday for the class, Tuesday को भी Rohan came, but Thursday को नहीं आया, so I am giving him 0. ओके, 1 + 1 + 0 ऐसे करके मुझे हर एक मेरे एलसी मेंबर को पूरे वीक में स्कोर्स देना है. एंड विच एवर मेंबर इन माई एलसी हैज द हाईएस्ट स्कोर, सबसे ज्यादा स्कोर है जिसका, उसको हम लोग इंटरव्यू करेंगे उस वीक. इज दिस मेकिंग सेंस?
Yes, Didi.
मीजा, यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन?
No.
ओके, so this is the responsibility of one leader. तो एक leader एक हफ्ते में पूरे, hi Huda, we have started the training. I will repeat for you a little bit. Okay, so this is your leadership meeting because you are a group leader, so you should know what your responsibilities are. Okay, so Didi is just sharing that. I will repeat it for you in 2 minutes. So is this much clear to all the leaders that in 1 week the leader has to maintain this tracker? You will copy this tracker in your notebook, and at the end of every day you can check which member of your LC is doing what activity, and you can give them marks for it. ठीक है? एंड अगर आप सोच रहे हो कि ऑनलाइन ऑफलाइन क्लास का अटेंडेंस मुझे कैसे पता होगा, सो दीदी इज पोस्टिंग द अटेंडेंस एवरी डे. आपको पता है ना, दीदी रोज अटेंडेंस भेजते हैं सब बच्चों की, तो उसमें से यू कैन चेक इन दैट अगर आपकी फ्रेंड्स ने क्लास अटेंड करी कि नहीं करी. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, Didi.
Okay, amazing. So Huda, I was just sharing that since every LC has 2 leaders, these are the responsibilities of the 2 leaders. Okay, so leader 1, ये एक हफ्ते में leader 1 will fill the LC tracker which I'm talking about, and the leader 1 will also send class reminders. Okay, leader 2 will take the interview with the LC members and also write a draft. Okay, so and हर week ये responsibilities switch होंगी. Okay, so अगर आप week 1 में leader 1 हो हुदा और हयात leader 2 है, then week 2 में आप leader 2 बनोगे and हयात leader 1 बन जाएगी. Okay, that's how you will keep switching between the responsibilities so that everyone gets to do everything. Now Didi was explaining the LC tracker to everybody. ये LC tracker मैं इसलिए चाहती हूँ कि आप लोग बनाओ so that you know very fairly, बहुत ही fair तरीके से आपको पता चले कि आपके ग्रुप में कौन अच्छा कर रहा है. एंड ऐसे नहीं कि मैं जानबूझ के सिर्फ एक ही बच्चे को बार बार चांस दे रही हूँ, बट आई एम फॉलोइंग अ टेबल, उसमें जिसका हाईएस्ट पॉइंट आएगा that person will get the interview chance. Okay, is this making sense? Do you think it's a lot of work? Should I reduce the tracker a little bit?
No, Didi.
Are you sure?
No, Didi.
Think about it and then tell me.
Yes. Yes.
This you have to fill every day. It will take you half an hour to fill it. So do you think you have half an hour ka time every day to fill the tracker as a
Yes,
leader?
Didi. Yes.
Okay, I want. Yes.
And Didi, if it is not there, हमको मतलब ऑब्जर्व करने में कौन कौन है तो हमें बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, तो
Correct.
हाफ एन आवर ले सकते हैं हम, क्योंकि पूरा दिन है हमारे पास, तो हाफ एन आवर हम लेके कर सकते हैं.
This is something that Didi wants you to do, because even as a teacher, मैं आपकी टीचर हूँ, मैं भी ऐसे trackers fill करती हूँ आप लोगों के लिए, because it helps me see which student is doing well and which student is not, right? So it's not for me to take more work and say कि चलो मुझे ये काम भी करना है वो काम भी करना है, but it is for me to check कि कौन सा student कैसे कर रहा है. Okay, so that is the purpose of it. In the beginning you will feel कि oh my god ये बहुत सारा है, how will I do it? But eventually you will get used to it, and this is what leaders do. Right now you've become a leader, so your responsibilities have increased, but now you're not just helping yourself, you're also helping others and the people around you, right? So now you are actually creating a change, you're making a difference, right? And leaders work very hard, like we saw in the video. We have to be crazy in order to achieve, right? If we are not crazy, we'll not achieve anything. Okay, so it's good to be crazy is what Didi is trying to tell you. If you feel though, agar aapko lagta hai ye bahut zyada ho raha hai, tell me, okay? Because leaders are also honest. We have to be honest also. If we feel like it's too much and it's getting really difficult for me, share it with Didi, because Didi is also doing it for the first time. So मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ, and then we will figure it out. We will together we will figure it out. Okay. Now I will move ahead. LC tracker I've explained. Take a screenshot of this also and draw it in your notebook later. So जो भी इस week का leader 1 है will make the LC tracker this week. So but both the leaders should have the LC tracker in their notebooks. ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ एक, because सबको ही LC tracker कभी ना कभी भरना है. So
दीदी, leader 1 कौन है?
वो आप डिसाइड कर लो अपने मन से कि आप अपने फ्रेंड से डिस्कस करके कि दिस वीक आई विल बी लीडर 1, दिस वीक यू बी लीडर 2, then next week you will become leader 1 and I'll become leader 2, so that you can decide with your friend. Okay.
Okay.
Just take us everyone. I want all leaders to take a screenshot of this so that you can draw it in your notebook later on.
Screenshot clearly.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to move ahead then. So this was the first section. Now we have understood, हमें समझ में आ गई है हमारी roles and responsibilities, and we know that we have to maintain a tracker. ठीक है. फिर जब leader 1 tracker update कर देगा पूरा Friday तक का, then वो leader 2 को बताएगा कि इस week Rohan, I'm giving a random example, okay? Rohan has got the highest scores, so you should go and interview Rohan. फिर leader 2 will go and interview Rohan and will write about Rohan, okay? So that's how we are going to do it. It's going to be a lot of collaboration between leader 1 and leader 2. Yes, Huda?
दीजिए हम लोग को पहले दीजिए सारे जो भी हम लोग के फ्रेंड्स हैं दीजिए पहले देखना पड़ेगा कौन हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं नहीं, इसके बाद इंटरव्यू लेना पड़ेगा ना.
Yes, and this tracker will help you for that only, because hard work का मतलब क्या होता है? Hard work तो कुछ भी हो सकता है. For someone, hard work can mean that एक दिन class attend करने को hard work कहते हैं, but that's not hard work, right? You want to appreciate someone who is actually doing a lot of work. So ये tracker आपको help करेगा वो समझने के लिए. So every day you'll give your LC members 1 point, and you'll see which LC member has the highest point, and that person will be interviewed. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. I will move ahead to the newsletter, to the interview section. Now this is for leader 2. Okay, now leader 2's, this is Didi will share the process of
screenshot मार लेना दीदी.
ये बाद में, अभी ये बाद में करना. I will first explain it, then you do it. Okay. Okay. So class interviews लेने का, there are 2 steps. Okay, there are 2 steps in taking an interview. Very simple. Step 1 is a conversation. Okay, suppose I am taking Abhinav's interview. Okay, I hope everyone whose videos are off are listening to me, because it's a training session for you. So if you miss out, you miss out. Okay, Didi will not do it again and again. Okay, so let's make the most of it. Thank you, Hamza, Karthik, Huda, Miza, Chaitanya. I hope you are also here. Okay.
Yes, Didi.
So suppose I am taking Abhinav's interview. Abhinav is the student from my LC who has done very well. Okay, Abhinav ko highest points mile and I am gonna interview Abhinav. So first step will be to talk to Abhinav. And when I'm talking to Abhinav, I am taking notes. Okay, so Abhinav जो बोल रहा है उसके मैं notes बनाऊंगी. Abhinav is saying, okay, I worked hard and I did this. I am writing it in my notebook. Step 2 is that मैं वो notes को transfer करूंगी in full sentences and I'll prepare my interview draft. These are 2 steps. Okay. Okay. So the first one is the conversation where you are talking to the person. So you are messaging them saying that, hello, Abhinav, I am the leader of your group. This week, I want to take your interview. Are you free today to talk to me? They will say, yes, I'm free in the evening. You will call them. You will record. You can also record the conversation or you can also make notes in your notebook. Okay. Now, Didi will share the process with you if this is clear.
Yes, Didi.
Cool. So I will move. So these are some questions that you can ask. ये मैंने आपको एक question का list दिया है. Feel free to ask other questions also. You can ask other questions also. This is just to help you think about it. Okay. So what is the first question? It's introduce yourself. So पहले आप हमेशा in every interview, first thing that you ask the person is to introduce themselves. So they'll say their name, age, where they live, what they like to do, and anything else that they want to say. उसके बाद आप उनसे पूछोगे, how was this last week for you? Think about the activities that you did and the lessons that you learned. Over here, they will share उनका पूरा week कैसा गया, उन्होंने क्या क्या किया, what did they learn, what did they do. You will push them to share many things here. Okay. Then the next thing you can ask them is, what is one thing that you are very, very proud of? जो एक चीज आपने करी जिसके लिए आप बहुत अपने आप पे proud हो. You will ask them this question and they will think and tell you because they worked really hard, right? फिर आप उनको बताओगे कि this week I think you were the most hardworking person because आपने ये किया. तो आप उनको evidence बताओगे कि क्योंकि आपने रोज मॉर्निंग एक्टिविटी करी और आप रोज क्लास आए और आपने रोज मैसेजेस एक्नॉलेज करे. आई सॉ दैट. सो हाउ डिड यू डू इट एंड कैसे आपने मैनेज किया. सो यू विल आस्क देम कैसे आपने मैनेज किया. ओके मुजना, यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन. Muzna, you have a question?
Didi, I wanted to say that I can't see the screen.
Oh, okay. I will share
I think
a picture.
that is my network issues.
Yes. I will share a picture of what we are showing on WhatsApp, so you can see on WhatsApp. Okay. हाँ, मैंने भेज दिया आपको मुजना. ओके. देन आप उनसे पूछोगे अपने इंटरव्यू, जिसका इंटरव्यू आप ले रहे हो, कि मैंने देखा कि आपने रोज जो भी उन्होंने अच्छा किया है आप बोलोगे मैंने देखा कि आपने रोज एक्टिविटी करी, आपने रोज ये किया वो किया, कैसे किया आपने, हाउ डिड यू मैनेज. देन यू विल आस्क देम हाउ डिड यू मैनेज. ओके. फिर आप उनसे पूछोगे व्हाट इज द वैल्यू दैट यू प्रैक्टिस. ओके, व्हाट वाज द वन वैल्यू दैट यू ट्राइड टू प्रैक्टिस दिस वीक. एंड लास्ट इज डू यू हैव एनी टिप्स. मतलब आपके पास कोई टिप्स हैं, कुछ लेसन्स हैं which you would like to share with your friends so that they can also do well in the coming week. Then you will ask them this question. ये दीदी ने आपको ऐसा लिस्ट दिया है. You can also ask other questions. Okay, but is this making sense? Do you have any questions with the questions that I just shared? Yes, Karthik.
No.
Okay, Hamza has no questions.
दीदी,
Yes.
जैसे कि अगर जो रोहन और हमजा एक ग्रुप मेंबर है, उन लोग दोनों का पॉइंट एकदम सेम है, तो क्या करेंगे? दोनों का इंटरव्यू में नाम आएगा.
Very good question. Very good question. Thank you so much for asking. Tell me what should we do? क्या करना चाहिए हमें?
दीदी टेस्ट मतलब जैसे वो करना चाहिए, जैसे दोनों पे देखना चाहिए, दोनों को क्या कौन सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा कर रहा है.
Okay, but अगर हम लोग ट्रैकर के हिसाब से कर रहे हैं and we are seeing that both of them have the same score, then if we choose one over the other, then won't that be cheating? है ना? What should we do then? अभिनव, क्या करना चाहिए हमें?
दीदी बात करना चाहिए.
हाँ?
दोनों का लेना चाहिए।
Okay, how many of you agree with Abhinav?
दीदी दोनों जन का लेना चाहिए और जिसका अच्छा रहेगा उसको हमें चूज करना चाहिए।
Okay. Okay, but that is also a little वो ना कि हम चूज कर रहे हैं कि नहीं इसका अच्छा नहीं इसका अच्छा है. That will also be like हम एक जन को ज्यादा फेवर दे रहे हैं. Okay, चैतन्या से.
दीदी हम एक का लेंगे फिर हम दूसरे को भी लेंगे, क्योंकि अगर एक का लेंगे और दूसरे का नहीं लेंगे तो अनफेयर होगा, क्योंकि
Correct.
दोनों ने हार्ड वर्क किया है।
Correct.
So,
And you are a leader. You can't be an unfair leader. Now, imagine if in the class, Didi is only asking one child. Okay, you answer, and everyone else is not answering. And then Didi is saying, oh, you are the most hardworking child. Baki to koi mehnat hi nahi karta hai. So will Didi be a fair leader? No, right? Then you'll not want to come to my class. You will say, Didi to पूछती नहीं है और सब cheating करते रहती है सिर्फ. So we will also be the leaders that we want the people around us to be. So if there is a tie, we will take both people ka interview and we'll share both people ka. That's not a problem. Even if there is 3 people who have worked very hard, हम उन तीनों से पूछ लेंगे. No problem. ठीक है? Very good question, Karthik. Any other questions? I want you to think more. Any other questions? Okay, by the way, the list that I've shared with you ना questions का, please उसको आप जरूरी नहीं है कि आपको वही questions पूछना. मैं आपको सिर्फ ideas दे रही हूँ. I'm just giving you a starting idea. Feel free to ask them whatever you want. You can ask them about their favorite movies also and anything fun also. ठीक है? It's not that you have to ask only the questions that Didi has shared. ठीक है? But I'll go to step 2. Chaitanya, you have your hand raised. Share.
दीदी I want to ask that if दीदी अगर दीदी क्लास में अगर कोई भी मतलब सही से नहीं किया हो, लाइक किसी का भी फुल नहीं है, तो हम क्या कर सकते?
That means nobody is doing anything.
Yes, मतलब दीदी कर रहे लेकिन पूरा नहीं कर रहे, लाइक आप फुल मार्क्स नहीं है.
Okay. You only tell me. Everyone else, what do you think? What should we do then? If nobody is doing that well, then what should we do? Muzna?
Didi, we can tell them and force them to be more joyful about learning. हम लोग दीदी उनको और ज्यादा पुश करेंगे कि वो लोग थोड़ा सा पार्टिसिपेट करें एंड पढ़ने में और ज्यादा वो लोग दीदी थोड़ा सा और पार्टिसिपेट करें so they can improve.
Okay, so Muzna is saying we can push them and motivate them to be joyful. Anything else? What about the interview? Then whose interview will you take if there is nobody who's doing that well? Whose interview will you take?
दीदी अगर कोई भी दीदी अच्छा कर रहा है ना दीदी.
One by one. Huda, you never raise your hand, Huda. You are a leader, na? Raise your hand. हाँ, say now.
दीदी अगर जो सब लोग को देखेंगे, दीदी अगर जो थोड़ा सा अच्छा भी कर रहा है सबसे ज्यादा, मतलब थोड़ा सा अच्छा सब लोग से, तो उन लोग को दीदी बुला के उन लोग का इंटरव्यू लेंगे. उन लोग से पूछेंगे कि क्यों.
Okay, got it. How many of you agree with that? Huda is saying that the person who is doing the most out of everybody else, even if that person is not doing everything but is doing something, we should appreciate them. How many of you agree with that? Okay. Hamza, you have a question? Okay, perfect. You are right, Huda. I agree with that. Even if you see that there's one person who did activity 3 times a week, not 5 times, but did 3 times, came to class 4 times, and that is the highest in your LC, then you can interview them and push them also that, okay, this week you did 3 times. I think next week you can do 5 times. Okay, so you can push them. ठीक है, and you are only tracking from Monday to Friday. Monday to Friday आप track कर रहे हो. Saturday को you are interviewing, because अगर आप Saturday को भी track करोगे तो you will not get time only to make your interviews, right? What about us? Chaitanya, what about us? It's a good question. I think as a leader, you have to be the example, right? You have to be the role model. That means, yes, Muzna, you want to add something?
दीदी, I wanted to ask that दीदी हम लोग को जो इंटरव्यू लेना है, तो दीदी हम लोग वो सैटरडे को लेंगे इंटरव्यू या फिर हम लोग फ्राइडे को लेंगे?
good question. I'll answer that question. Okay. So Monday to Friday, you are doing the tracking on the LC tracker. Friday, you will stop. You will have your final scores. You will calculate. Saturday, you will take full Saturday morning after the class. You will take to call your interview person you are interviewing. You will take the interview, and by Saturday evening, you will have the draft ready, which you will send to Rupali Didi on the group. Okay. That is your timeline. So Monday to Friday, you are tracking. Saturday, you are interviewing and writing your final draft and sending to Didi. Okay. Yes, Hamza, your question.
दीदी इस हफ्ते तो हम लोग ने कुछ किया ही नहीं, ट्रैकर भी नहीं बनाया, ये सब भी नहीं बनाया, तो दीदी हम इस हफ्ते कैसे सोचेंगे कि कौन कितना अच्छा किया?
Good question. Really good question. Anyone would like to answer before I? Okay. By the way, we are the leaders, right? So if we only don't talk in English, then how will we expect our friends to talk in English?
Didi, I don't hear.
I will tell you. I'll tell you. Okay. So Hamza said that Didi, this week we didn't make only any trackers. So how will we interview for Saturday? So anyone would like to share how would we do it? Chaitanya?
Didi, now मतलब अभी के लिए हम we take help of you, like we will observe some people and then tell you, मतलब थोड़ा सा observe करेंगे जितना हो सकता है उतना, and then we will tell you, and Didi you can write on that tracker, and इस हफ्ते जितना होता है उतना.
Okay, this week we will do as much as possible. Okay, fair idea. Anyone with a different idea? Karthik, Huda, you will raise hand, na?
I think we have to do that every day. You send that who all attend the class. We will also ask you that how many students do homework and how many days, and we will make that tracker, and then we can see who has come to online class most day and do most homework, and then we can take.
But it's only one day, right? Tomorrow, so you have to make the newsletter. Abhinav, thank you, Karthik, for sharing. Abhinav, last thought from you.
दीदी, आप जो अटेंडेंस ट्रैकर जो भेजते हैं उसमें से देख के हम चूज कर सकते हैं.
Okay, so Abhinav is saying, Didi, we'll look at the attendance tracker and choose from there. That's also a good idea. But class, one thing I want to ask you. Remember, okay, one second before you share. Okay, now I'll just wait, I'll just give you an idea. Okay, then you tell me about that. So yesterday, remember we were talking about goal setting and we were talking about having a plan. Yes or no?
Yes, Didi.
Right? So yes, don't you think as a leader or as leaders, you should have a plan or a goal for your team also, as along with a goal for yourself, you should have a goal for your team?
Yes, Didi.
Yeah. So why don't you do this? That's what this week's newsletter. Why don't you first introduce yourself? Hi, I'm the leader. We are the leaders of LC Sports for Change Random Example. Okay. And we are leading a team of जो भी जितने भी लोग हैं आपके ग्रुप में, suppose there are 15 people. Okay, so we are leading a team of 15 people. These people are Rohan, Raj, Chetan, whatever, आपके सारे team members के name, and then you can put down the goals that you have for your team for the week. So you say that, okay, team, this week we will try to finish morning activity for at least 4 times. We will try to, so give them goals. What I'm trying to tell you is that use the first week of your newsletter to give goals and set goals for your team. Then next week you will have, you will have a plan, right? So the tracker is your plan. Tracker is actually a plan for you to see if you are meeting your goals or if you're not meeting your goals. Okay? This week, think about what are your goals. So the Didi aap batate hain, remember the class vision? All our children will be responsible. वो vision मेरा आप लोगों के लिए है, because I am your leader, right? You are also leaders, but I am the leader of the class. kind of, we all are actually leaders, but Didi has a vision for you, which Didi has shared with you, right? All our children be joyful about learning. So now think about a vision for your team. Okay, think about what you want to have in your team. What do you want your team to achieve? And share that in the newsletter this week. And from the coming week, we will do the tracking. Okay, so that you can check how many of you are meeting your goals.
और दीदी सारे दीदी जैसे आर्ट्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन, स्पोर्ट्स फॉर चिल्ड्रन, सब लोग के जो मेंबर है दीदी वो सब कैसे आएंगे, मतलब वो ग्रुप में या ऑफलाइन क्लास पे, ऑफलाइन क्लास में?
No. Offline class is actually with your reading level, right? So offline classes happen with reading levels. So your space to interact with your LC members is your WhatsApp group, and on the online class when there is morning meeting happening. Okay, Didi will also make breakout rooms for you to talk to your members. Didi will do that soon. But for now, you can share and talk to your LC members on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so something that I want you to think about for this week's newsletter is that you are going to introduce yourself. So think about what you want to share about yourself, okay? And make sure in your introduction, you are also writing all your team members' names. So all of them, my team members are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, sabke naam you will write. Then share the vision that you have and then share the goals, okay? So vision can also be, we will be the best team, or we will work it can be anything, whatever you want, okay? And share your goals that we will attend class 5 times a week. We will complete homework all days. We will do whatever. जैसे आपके goals हैं, आपके मन से आप set करोगे, and you will share that for this week's newsletter. I'm going to stop talking now. Muzna, share.
दीदी I wanted to ask that दीदी हम लोग जो पूरा इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे दीदी, जो हम लोग गोल सेट करेंगे, तो दीदी वो सब हम लोग को हमारी दीदी को सेंड करना है ना?
Yes, you can send it on the group that Didi made yesterday, newsletter creators group. Okay, so you will share it by tomorrow evening. You have a full 1 day to prepare for it, and you will share. Didi will also give you feedback on it, so you can improve also there. And this week we will do this for the newsletter, and for the coming week we will make the tracker and we'll be ready. Okay, once you have the goals, your team also knows what they need to achieve. Otherwise करते रहेंगे, हमारी टीम को पता ही नहीं हम क्या कर रहे हैं. So you can also share your goals with your team so that your team members are all ready from Monday. They're like, yeah, oh, let's win this thing. Let's come. Let's be the best, right? So this is what the idea is. I think I think you all understood. I'm excited. Okay, I'll just share the interview draft format also. This you don't have to do this week. ये आपको इस week से नहीं करना है. But still I'm sharing because this will, मैं आपको साथ फिर से एक meeting नहीं कर पाऊंगी next week. So I'm just sharing it. So once you have taken the interview notes, this is a format, sentence starters Didi has given you. You can use it if you want, or you can also write on your own. Didi is just giving you ideas. Okay? So you can start your interview like this, interview draft like this. Dear readers, we are dash and dash. जो भी आपके नाम है leaders के, we are dash and dash, the leaders of, यहाँ पे अपने LC का नाम, we are a beautiful and hardworking LC of, कितने लोग हैं आपके LC में? तो 15-20 जितने भी लोग हैं यहाँ पे, you will write that. This week we interviewed our LC member. Here you will write your LC member's name, जो भी उसका नाम है जिसका इंटरव्यू आपने लिया. Because why did you interview them? Because they did or they showed dash. जो भी उन्होंने किया, you will write that here. Then you will say, through this interview we wanted to learn more from them and also share these lessons with the whole class. We hope that you like reading this interview. So ये आपका introduction. Didi has shown you how to write a good introduction. What makes a good introduction? Okay. Then you will share question answer. So first question ka question, then answer. Question, then answer. Question, then answer. That's how you will write your draft also. Okay. So Didi has given you sentence starter so that you can write a good draft with good English. You can also write.
Will you send this screenshot?
Please take a screenshot. Yes. Give me a thumbs up when you've taken. Done?
दीदी ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का मतलब क्या है? इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ.
हाँ बेटा, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ मतलब आपने जो उनसे क्वेश्चन पूछे थे ना, आप उनके आंसर्स अब शेयर करोगे. सो ऊपर आपने ये जो क्वेश्चन पूछे ना, इंट्रोड्यूस योरसेल्फ, हाउ वाज दिस लास्ट वीक फॉर यू, इसके जो भी आंसर्स उन्होंने दिए हैं, दैट यू विल समराइज इन द इंटरव्यू ड्राफ्ट. सो यहाँ पे आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 1
ओके.
फिर उनका आंसर इन योर ओन गुड वर्ड्स. Then second question. So question number 2 was, अगर suppose आपको question number 2 था, how was the last week? Then you will write that here and you will write your answer. So उसने जो भी share किया आप वो answer यहाँ पे share करोगे. So that's how you will write your interview. Okay. Cool. Amazing. So that's it from my side. How excited are you to take on this role? Are you feeling nervous? It's okay to feel nervous. It's a new. Okay,
I
amazing.
feel excited.
Okay, Abhinav always gives the same emoji, so I have no idea what Abhinav is feeling. Okay, cool. We'll actually now close over here because I want you to take a break before your class at 4 o'clock. Today we have an activity class. Today we are going to share our learnings. It's going to be a lot of fun, right? Okay. Chaitanya, if that's the case, you will talk to Didi and we will have a conversation together. Okay. So you, your co-leader and Didi will have a chat and we will discuss the way forward from there. Okay. Thank you for sharing. Okay. Now that's it from my side. I hope that you've taken the screenshots. Your next steps are your homework I'm saying. Your task is that you have to draw the LC tracker in your notebook. Okay, Hamza. Draw the LC tracker in your notebook. Okay. And also keep the interview draft with you so that आपको पता चले कि कैसे interview करते हैं. And also think about the goals that you have for your team. Okay. And tomorrow's newsletter, sorry, Sunday's newsletter will have the goals. Okay. That's it.